Welcome to this lesson. Today, we will learn the difference between three common words: arrive, reach, and get. They all talk about going to a place, but they are not used in the same way. Arrive means to get to a place. Reach means you have made it to a goal or a place after trying. And get is more casual, often used in speaking. Let's understand each one more clearly. The verb arrive is used when we want to say someone reached a place. We use it with at or in. For example, he arrived at the station. She arrived in Delhi. Notice, we never say arrive to the station, that's incorrect. Reach is a verb that needs a place right after it. We don't use any prepositions like at or to after reach. We say, we reached the school, not we reached at the school. It's a stronger, more direct way to say you got to a place. Get is a more casual or informal way to talk about reaching a place. You often use it when speaking with friends. For example, I got home late, or when did you get to the station? Here, get to means the same as arrive. Let's look at some common mistakes. We don't say arrived to, we say arrived at. We don't say reached at, we just say reached. And with get, remember to say get to when naming a place. These small changes will make your English sound much better. Here's a quick review. Use arrive with at or in, reach with no preposition, and get with to. Now let's practice. Try to fill in the blanks. She, at the airport. They, the top of the mountain. I, to school early. Pause the video and try to answer. Prepared by K. Rajendra Prasad.